Wow, this thing is really nasty, man. This is why you have to change these guys. And look at it, it's just full of junk. Wow, you don't want to be breathing this stuff in. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Simple Car Guy channel. In today's quick maintenance video, we're going to be replacing the microfilter on my BMW Z4 e89. These are also known as cabin filters or just air filters. Whatever you want to call it, we're going to replace it and save you over $140 that the dealer charges to do this. These were about $20 on Amazon, and this is the carbon one, so the better quality one. You can go for the cheaper ones, but I figured it's only $10 more and you get the better quality one, so just the same one as they use at the dealer, but for $20. This should also take you less than 10 minutes to do, depending on how flexible you are. All you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver, or I'm gonna use one of these drills because it's just easier. You're gonna go into the footwell of the passenger side. And as you can see, there are 3 screws that you're gonna need to take out. Looks like somebody already took out one of these and then put it back on my car, but you should have all 3. Take them all out, and then we'll see the next step. I'm just gonna pull it down. You don't even have to disconnect the cigarette lighter connector. Just put it on the side. Next, you're gonna pull on this clip. Just right there. And there's gonna be one on the other side as well. There we go. So you're pulling on this clip down, and then it clips in with these 2 little clips on this side. So you're just gonna pull it down. And now we pull the filter out. Ooh. Wow, did you see that? That's a lot of leaves. Holy. All right, so the filter is removed. Look at that. Can't believe I didn't do this sooner. I don't think this filter has ever been replaced, or maybe definitely not in a while. That's pretty gross. All right, so here I have my new air filter. As you can see, it has a direction, so it's a directional filter. As you can see, the airflow is from this side to that side. And what we're gonna do is just put it in pretty much this way. So you want the airflow to be pointing towards you. Now we're gonna put this holder back in. There you go, clipped in. And now we just have to carefully put this part back in. And put the screws back in. That's it, the filter is changed. Well, this is all it takes to change the filter. It only took me about 7 minutes to do total and saved myself over $100. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.